What on the earth was that, my dear friends? Well, my dear friends, that is the sound that is made by frogs. And the sound that is made by the frogs is called croaking. 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 Well, my dear friends, first and foremost, on behalf of Spoken English with Calcutta Talkies, I would like to wish everybody around the world a very happy Bengali New Year, Bangla New Year, especially to my friends and well-wishers in West Bengal, Tripura, and in Bangladesh. Shubho Novoborsha, Pohela Boishak. All right? Well, as we started off with the sound of frogs today, you will be surprised. This croaking sound of the frogs is usually found in rural areas, that is in villages or remote areas where have a lot of ponds and water bodies. But you'll be surprised to know that I recorded this in the middle of a so-called metropolitan city, or rather I should say in a metropolitan city called Kolkata, in a so-called upscale area called Ballygunge. Well, all parts of Ballygunge are not upscale. They may be upscale a bit monetarily in the last 7-8 years, with the blessings of some unscrupulous local politicians, etc. But they're not upscale in their upbringing and human values and education, maybe in the true sense. But anyway, besides the point. So my point is, as we started off with the sound that frogs make, and by the way, what do we call baby frogs? Anyone there can tell me? Well, just for your information, it's not that, as I always say, certain things are not necessary for you to know. Now, what are you going to do with the name of a baby? I mean, what baby frogs are called, unless you are going into study of frogs and all these kind of things. Well, anyway, baby frogs are called tadpoles. 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 And while we are on the sound of certain animals and creatures, let me quickly just do a recap. Certain sounds like dogs bark, etc. What do we call the sound that is made by snakes? Well, just to remember, snakes hiss, Hiss. And what do monkeys do? Your favorite? Monkeys chatter. Like we have a lot of people sitting and chatting on the net, etc. So like monkeys whole day. Anyway, and we all know lions roar, R-O-A-R. But what do bulls do? Bulls sharp. Well, bulls bellow, B-E-L-L-O-W. Bulls bellow. And what about goats? Chuggle. Well, goats bleat, B-L-E-A-T. Boats, sorry, not boats, but goats. Goats bleat. Well, I don't want to go too much into the sound of all the animals, but just to let you know that few at a time, then you will not forget. All right? I just came across today. Primarily, my objective was to wish everybody a very happy Bengali New Year, but I said while I'm about it, and we started off with the sound of these frogs croaking, I said may as well give a bit of a lesson also. And if you have not yet viewed our other videos, please do so, and I can assure you that it will not be futile, F-U-T-I-L-E. Futile means it will not go to waste, kaje lagbe. You will benefit from our videos, that much I can assure you. All right? Try to follow the way we pronounce the words, the accent, etc. All right? And if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe to our simple channel. We don't have all that jazz, but we try to give quality lessons, all right, in a very friendly and homely atmosphere. And please do put a like, and if you have any comments, do pen it down. It will be appreciated, and we will respond. Have a wonderful day or evening ahead. Bye bye.